how to create Discord account on mobile. So all you have to do is open up your Play Store and search for Discord and then install that Discord app. So if you have already installed that Discord app, then open up your app, and after opening your Discord app you will be having two options. One is register and the another one is login. So here we are to create an account, right? So we should tap on register, and then here you can either register through your mobile number or through your email. So I'll be choosing email. Here enter your email, and after entering your email tap on next. After that it is asking us to pick a username, or you can also say nickname, and then after entering your username type on your password, and after entering your username and password tap on next, and here you can choose a date of birth and then tap on confirm, and then you can tap on create an account. After that your account will be created. So it was that easy to create a Discord account on mobile, and if you have any questions feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.